Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for northeastern St. Joseph County, Indiana, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Goulavoyer Park, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near South Bend around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mishawaka, Georgetown, and Roseland around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Osceola and Granger. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 76 and 87. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: St. Joseph, Indiana.
Make the cold brew you love at home with Starbucks Cold Brew Concentrates. Just mix with water and ice for a taste that's smooth, delicious.
Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Clark County in southern Nevada until 2:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 1:31 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over North Las Vegas Airport, or over Las Vegas, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Las Vegas, North Las Vegas, Aliante, Nellis Air Force Base, downtown Las Vegas, Lone Mountain, The Strip, East Las Vegas, Summerlin, Spring Valley, Paradise, North Las Vegas Airport, and Stratosphere Tower. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flash flood emergency for portions of southeast Hunterdon County and much of Mercer County, including Trenton. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until midnight. At 7:31 p.m., local law enforcement reported flash flooding across the warned area. Between 3 and 7 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for portions of southeast Hunterdon County and much of Mercer County, including Trenton. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Trenton, Ewing, Princeton, Byram, Flemington, Clinton, Pennington, New Hope, Yardley, Hopewell, Ferndale, and Fronttown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey near mile marker 16. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile marker 62 and 76. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.